Well, I didn't expect it to shut off, but we might be out of fuel. I don't know, is this a new episode?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I guess if it is, it is. If it isn't,
We're back.
we're back again. If it is a new episode,
We're back again.
welcome back.
Happy New Year's Eve, everybody. It's
Your phone isn't on.
6:51. And we're partying the only way we know how.
By working.
In the garage. On a cold day, but we got a fresh can of propane. And the best propane accessory known to man.
Yeah. Also, we got wires in here now. It is a complete mess. We took the heater box out. The air conditioner heater box does not work with the stock coil pack location. The
coil packs would hit the heater box.
The coil pack hits the heater box. Yeah, exactly what he said. So I just took it out. I got a non-AC one coming in the mail eventually, along with exhaust headers. Ooh, so that's another fun thing we'll get to do. I have no idea how much of a pain in the ass that's going to be. I'm sure it's going to be pretty rough. But for now, I think we've made it a mission at this point to try and assemble the car enough to do a New Year's Eve burnout.
Well, we're going to try and start the car.
We're going to try it.
We're going to try and start the car before New Year's Eve, and then
maybe do the burnout.
And then maybe do a burnout.
Maybe do a burnout. But at this point, it's really the harness is hooked up. We got all the plugs where they need to go. It's ran through the firewall. We're working on our positive negatives. The starter's in now. Probably get some more out of this too, especially when it's wet against that.
So we got the one head-on, or no.
Manifold?
So we got the one manifold on.
Fire. Kids don't know a damn thing about cars no more. There are spark plugs. So my bet is this isn't going to work on this side.
No?
Why not? Well, I am hitting the master cylinder and it's not flat. So we might.
On both sides?
Yeah, might as well. It sounds like you've got all of them in already.
Almost.
What things do we need to be worried about? Probably my body harness here.
Tell them that the manifold doesn't fit.
The manifold doesn't fit. I don't know what else you want me to say. Hey guys, you know how like you can flip your exhaust manifold upside down and do like some cool hot roddy bullshit like this? Well, it don't fit. So we're not doing that.
Where's the first one? So we got enough wires hooked up. We are now able to go ahead. Battery needs some juice, but
It turns over with the key.
yeah.
Is it like a little ghetto hot wire? Yeah.
So here we are.
Here we are. We did some hackery.
Don't do this at home.
Well, or you do. Once again, I'm not your mother. So, let's point out some things. This is the relay. There's a wire that runs out of here that goes up into the engine bay. We probably should make sure it's not touching anything metal. But that runs the fuel pump. That's running out behind and then under the car. This is our fuse block ignition, which has got an alligator clamp going to that, because that's what we had. Going over to here to that, which is part of the HVAC. Then we're going to use that to turn the car on. So if you want to turn the key, you can watch the check engine light come on and hear the fuel pump. Would you look at that?
I heard the clip too.
Yeah. So, let's put some gas in it, see if it makes some noise. Is a concern. I'm concerned for my safety. This fuel looks like ass. And we don't have a whole lot of it. I'm hoping that's enough. We're about to find out. Really doesn't want to go back on there. Come on.
Okay, round two.
Round two.
Change our 12-volt source to
Something that stays on when we start it,
so show them they're cool.
which is now the marker lights.
Manual power pumps. Manual fuel pump switch.
Hell yeah, let's make noise. Why did I see sparks? Is it still okay?
I think that your fucking
What?
your plug wire is like.
Oh yeah, it's like barely on. Well,
I don't think that's still. Oh, the other one's barely on too.
I could like barely reach when it was.
Oh. I got the GVs now.
Are you ready?
No.
That is loud.
It's shooting fireballs.
Hey!
Maybe we should open.
It's
the
a
door.
running car. You're probably right.
Just for a quick second.
Also, I farted.
Okay, turn the lights on.
Turn the lights on. Lights are on.
You want me to open the garage?
On.
Come on, baby. Whoa, shot the fuck out of me.
Well, I didn't expect it to shut off, but we might be out of fuel. Oh god, it smells like...
It's just angry as fuck because there's no O2 sensor.
Exactly. My nose hairs are gone. I think we're out of fuel. That sounds like...
Yeah, it smells lean.
Say it loud. Take it. Record yourself.
I got one, Brock.
Record the prop.
Okay, turn the lights on.
Turn the lights on. Lights are on.
You want me to open the garage? Oh, we opened the garage? Ooh.
We did it! We got the car to run at 9:07. It runs in the Camaro. It also probably doesn't have enough fuel to stay running, and I'm hoping that's why it's stalling out. But it ran. That's the biggest part. So at this point, it's going to be clean up all the wiring because it is a mess. But not as bad as the spaghetti mess of a car that it was when we bought it. Mounting all the fuel lines because they're just sitting on the floor. I'm gonna wire wrap all this stuff so the harness looks all nice and pretty, and it's all these separate harnesses kind of become one harness. Maybe I keep them separate. That's something I'll figure out as I go.
You're really losing steam here, bud.
The fumes. The fumes. I don't know what else to tell you people. The car's, it starts, it shot fire, it made my nose burn. I probably upset the neighbors. I don't know what else to say. Camaro engine works. I'll see you guys later. You know, I don't know if this thing has a massive vacuum leak either. It could be that. It could just have a massive vacuum leak, and that's why it's running like dog ass. It's kind of just going, oh shit, I don't know what to do, and then it dies. So, also having the O2 sensors would really help. Help the thing figure out like, oh, I got no fuel. But then again, it takes a minute for O2 sensors to kind of figure their stuff out. So. What's going on?
Jump around, yeah. Go jump a Coke can.
I want to dump a Coke can. Camaro, it's our jumping Coke can.
A Happy New Year short. You guys want a Happy New Year short posted before this video? Like this video and it'll already be posted.